Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to generate a battery report in Windows 11 so you can check your battery health and other battery usage, battery details and other specification. So first in your desktop, you can go to your CMD. You can just go to your search box here and then search CMD, and then the command prompt here you can just run as administrator, and then after that you can type power cfg space slash battery report and then hit enter. After that, as you can see, battery life report save to file path, this path. You can just copy it like this, copy, and then you can open your file explorer. Basically you can open it manually, but I'm gonna choose the faster method. In the C file, the C partition, you can just paste the link here and then hit enter, and it will open your battery report. As you can see, this is my battery report. There is the computer name, the system product name, and then the other option here, other specification, the battery manufacturer, and then serial number, and then this is the design capacity and the full charge capacity. So basically this is your battery health, and then you can check your recent usage here, lots of data here, and then the battery usage. And then if you scroll down again, you can choose the usage history here, and then also the estimated battery capacity history, and then the battery life estimates here. You can check it. This is the full report. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.